Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 in Portugal. I have been up for a few hours now. It's, I think, 11 o'clock, and Jordan and I are just kind of talking about our plans, and we're switching up our little route that we had planned a little bit. We're still in Lisbon. Tomorrow we're going to Lagos in the Algarves, and then we're going to Faro after that, and then we were planning to keep going to a small town called Tavira, but we've decided that we're going to switch things up and go to another little town a little closer called Brufia. I think that's how you say it. So we just picked out a new hotel, and I picked one with a pool. So I'm really excited about that because we don't have any stays booked with pools, so that's gonna be fun. This morning I got up and just went to a cafe below our hotel, and it was just like so relaxing, really cute, love it here. Last night was super fun. We went to beach clubs and we found this Aperol Spritz party, and I don't think I've had a true Aperol Spritz before, but I love them. Absolutely love. So yeah, that's fun. Today, not really sure what we're gonna get up to. We're probably gonna go for brunch, classic. Like we wake up, brunch, and then do activities. Not sure where we're going for brunch, and I also think we're gonna go to the LX factory possibly, which is like a cute little market. It's highly recommended. There's lots of shopping and food. And then I think tonight we might go on a party boat. I had a few things that I wanted to do when I came to Portugal. One was like a party boat, 2 is beach. We did beach last night, beach club in fact. We're gonna do lots of beaches when we go down to the Algarve. So party boat it is tonight. Let's get ready for the day. Not sure what I'm gonna wear today. It feels a little chilly. It looks sunny, but maybe it's just, oh, we got the AC turned up because I was kind of hot this morning. Go ahead.
This is non-refundable. Ooh, that place you recommended is really close.
To our hotel?
20-minute walk. It's close.
Oh, it's close.
It's plus seafood though.
Face is so dry.
So we're spending on average between the two of us like $200 a day on food and booze. So that's actually pretty good.
Yeah. We can do it cheaper, like if we weren't going to like sit down. Like this morning I just had like a coffee and a croissant. Like two coffees and croissants for like $70. So like we don't need to be doing a big brunch every day. We're down in Lagos and stuff. I feel like it's gonna be more like that.
And it's included in our I feel like if we come down to like $100 a day, that would be like just for a few days. We're just getting the vacation out of that. Is there food in that market?
Yeah, I think so. Do my makeup, and we're finishing things off with some band-aids because my toes are in a bit of rough shape. I lost my big toenail before I came to Portugal. Fun fact, it's from playing dodgeball. And then last night I stubbed my pinky toe, and it's just kind of bloody and not very good looking. So I'm covering it up and I'm protecting my toes because, of course, we're doing more walking today. So anyways, I'm quite happy with my makeup look. Looks very glowy, and I look a lot better than when I did my first intro. And we'll just do a really quick fit check. This one's pretty basic, but I just threw this on this morning when I went to grab my coffee, and I'm just liking the vibe. It's really cute and casual. I feel like it looks similar to what other people are wearing here, so this is what I'm wearing. And I might wear my Tevas today, but I might put my sneakers on because of course more walking and jewelry. So anyways, hope you guys like, and let's go to the market. You get some money. pick out an outfit for the party boat. This is option 1. I think this is cute, but I'm just really not vibing this tube top. But I feel like this is good for party. Also, I'm whispering because Jordan's sleeping. Okay, so this is option 1. I'm gonna pretend like you guys can help me in real time, but I'm gonna try on something else. I kind of want to wear the same outfit I wore last night to the beach club, but I'm not. I feel like it could be a little bit cooler out on the water. Might do a long dress. Let's try that one. Okay, so this is the second option. I think I like this a little better than the other one. It's just more like boat vibe to me. I think I might wear sneakers, and then I'll have like my white silk shirt to put over top. But I feel like this is a look. And I just have like my bikini on. Probably not gonna be swimming, but cute. Okay, so I'm doing a happy dance because I found the look I was going for. This is like, in my opinion, looks very Greece-esque, very like coastal, and I think it's pretty perfect for the party boat. I'm wearing the same set that I've been wearing. I'm really glad I bought this because I wore it last night, and even though they're like beach pants, I think it's a very, very cute outfit. And I'm just packing my bag because we're leaving early in the morning. Don't want to be doing that tonight. And I'm gonna be wearing it with this orange bag for a little pop of color. Honestly, guys, love, love, love. Perfect for the party boat. Anyways, I'll take you along with me, and I think we're gonna get McDonald's for supper because we want to do something quick and easy.